A very wonderful morning, all of you. So today we are going to learn a relative pronouns that. For the before our lecture, we have already learned who, whom, and whose. Who is used for the subjective case, whom is used for the objective case, and whose is for the possession, ownership. Okay. So here that. So it is actually that is used for the both subject for the human beings and for the non-living things also. Who is used for the persons only. Okay, for the grammar and in a formal grammar, who is used only for the persons, and which is only used for the things, non-human beings, animals, things. Okay, but while we are जब चॉइस की बात आती है तब बीच होगा, वो फिर ऑल में होगा, पर्सन्स के लिए भी और नॉन ह्यूमन बींग्स के लिए भी. ओके, एनिमल्स और थिंग्स के लिए भी बीच ही यूज होगा, बीच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग. ओके, नाउ लेट्स वी सी द रिलेटिव प्रोनाउन दैट. द फर्स्ट वन, after a pair of antecedent the related words. Okay, antecedent, one person and the other any animal or thing. So one person and any other animal or thing. So for that we are using relative pronoun that. एक person हो और एक animal हो, both के जब दोनों साथ में हो तब तो हम यहाँ पे योगा, like first example is yoga teacher and his dog. So dog के लिए हम which use कर लेंगे. अगर योगा टीचर नहीं होगा तो his dog which is generally seen around. But yoga teacher and for the both we are used relative pronoun that. Okay, pair of antecedent. It is the here are the pair of antecedent, yoga teacher and his dog. Okay, are generally seen around near the station whatever. Now the man and his book, man, person, and book, it's a non-living things. So for that we are using relative pronoun that. Okay. Say it right here. The girl and her bag were found near the station. So the girl, person, and her bag, things. That's why that. Clear? One person and one thing. Now the second use of this is with these words. जब भी ये words आते हैं तो all, everything, nothing, the only, the same, any, few, the little, etc. तब हम relative pronoun that ही यूज करेंगे. लेकिन क्योंकि हमें पता नहीं, like all that glitters, आपने ये सुना भी होगा, है ना? All that glitters is not gold. चमकने वाली सभी चीजें सोना नहीं होती. हाँ, फेयर एंड लवली से मैन भी चमकते हैं ना, है ना? गर्ल्स भी चमकती है फेयर एंड लवली से. So all that glitters is not gold. सभी चमकने वाली, तो कौन सी चीजें चमकती है हमें पता नहीं है. ओके, I have given you everything that I had. मेरे पास जो भी था वो सब मैंने दे दिया. जो भी था, पर्सन्स भी हो सकता है हेल्प के लिए, है ना? I have given you everything that I had. हमें पता नहीं, पर्सन्स भी हो सकता है, थिंग्स भी हो सकती है, पैसा भी हो सकता है. So that. She had got a few books. So few के लिए भी that. This is the same question that he asked yesterday. Remember, same जो है वो comparison में भी use होता है, लेकिन यहाँ पे comparison नहीं है, है ना? This is the same question that he asked. Subject and verb भी है. Like here, remember, this is the same shirt that you wear yesterday. So that you wear yesterday, and here comparison कैसे होगी? This is the same shirt as yours. आपके जैसे ही सेम शर्ट है. वहां पे वर्ब नहीं होगा, यहाँ पे वर्ब है, सब्जेक्ट वर्ब. ओके, as yours. So remember, the comparison में भी सेम आता है, इसलिए जब just I for your notice. Okay, so with these words, all, everything, nothing, the only, the same, and any, few, the little, for that we are using that. And after a pair of antecedent we are using relative pronoun that. Okay, now let's we see the number third. Now Here the third use of that is in superlative degree. सुपरलेटिव डिग्री होगी तब हम that ही यूज करेंगे. ओके, लाइक फर्स्ट, शी इज द मोस्ट ब्यूटीफुल गर्ल. दैट सुपरलेटिव है, द मोस्ट ब्यूटीफुल गर्ल दैट आई हैव एवर सीन. ओके, अगर ऐसा होगा शी इज द शी इज अ ब्यूटीफुल गर्ल, तो whom I have ever seen. ओके, अगर यहाँ पे मोस्ट ब्यूटीफुल की जगह पे द मोस्ट ब्यूटीफुल की जगह पे अ ब्यूटीफुल होगा, शी इज अ ब्यूटीफुल गर्ल, देन यहाँ पे द की जगह पे दैट की जगह पे whom I have never seen. But here is the she is the most beautiful girl. That's why that. Okay, in a superlative degree we are using relative pronoun that. This is the worst movie that I have ever seen. Okay, that. The tallest building that can be seen. Okay, you are the finest man that I know. Okay, so first relative pronouns that is used for the pair of antecedent. The second use is that for the this verse, all, everything, okay, nothing, a few, little. So for that we are using relative pronoun that. The third use of that is in a superlative degree. Okay, then the fourth use after the interrogative pronouns. The interrogative pronouns are who, whom, whose, which, that. अगर सेंटेंस इससे शुरू होता है तब हम रिलेटिव प्रोनाउन दैट ही यूज करेंगे. ओके, लाइक व्हाट इज दैट, क्या है वहां पे, दैट इज इम्पॉसिबल फॉर गॉड. इंसान भी हो सकता है, कोई चीज भी हो सकती है, कोई एनिमल भी हो सकता है. भगवान के पास ऐसा क्या है जो इम्पॉसिबल है. ओके, हु इज दैट दैट इज मेकिंग अ नॉइज. अगर किचन में आपकी माँ कुछ काम कर रही है तो शायद बिल्ली भी आवाज कर रही होगी, है ना. आपकी माँ की भी आवाज होगी, किसी की नॉइज हमें पता नहीं है. बट रिमेंबर, ये सब चीजें में मत जाओ. आफ्टर द इंट्रोगेटिव प्रोनाउंस वी आर यूजिंग रिलेटिव प्रोनाउन दैट. ओके, हु इज दैट दैट इज मेकिंग नॉइज. व्हाट इज दैट हैज डिस्टर्ब यू. इंसान भी हो सकता है. सो रिमेंबर, फॉर using of relative pronoun that, okay, after a pair of antecedent, then these words like all, everything, nothing, the only, the same, any, few, the little. Okay, the third one is in superlative degree and the fourth one is after the interrogative pronouns. Now let's see the interrogative pronoun what. Okay, not interrogative pronoun but relative pronoun what. Okay, so what, while we are using the what as a relative pronoun, it has no antecedent. इसके antecedents words नहीं होते हैं, तब हम यूज करते हैं what. Okay, very easy. Okay, what, it has no antecedent. Like I say what I mean. ओके, से सब्जेक्ट, आई सब्जेक्ट, से वर्ब, यहाँ पे एंटीसीडेंट वर्ड है नहीं. सो आई से व्हाट आई मीन, एंड जो मैं बोलता हूँ वो करता हूँ, बोलता हूँ नहीं बोलता हूँ, डेफिनेटली करता हूँ, लाइक दैट. आई मीन व्हाट आई से, यहाँ पे भी आई मीन व्हाट आई से. ओके, एंटीसीडेंट वर्ड से नहीं. व्हाट इज डन कैन नॉट बी डन अनडन. ओके, ही फाउंड व्हाट ही हैज लुकिंग फॉर. ओके, अगर ही फाउंड the money, he found the money, then what नहीं आएगा, क्या आएगा, which he was looking for. Or he found a girl, whatever, he found the girl whom was he looking for. Okay, but he found इतना ही है, तो what he was looking for. So what it has no antecedent, उसके कोई antecedent नहीं होते हैं. You can wear whatever you want. Okay, it is a compound relative pronoun. Okay, like compound words, mother-in-law, father-in-law. So whatever, उसका मतलब से एक जैसे ही होता है. Okay, you can wear जो भी आपको चाहिए. You can take the pen what you like. Is it a correct sentence? You can take out the pen. No, it has an antecedent. You can take the pen, not what, but which you like. है ना, पेन के लिए which. So it has clear writing. The relative pronouns who use as a subjective case, whom is used as an objective case, who and whom only for the persons. Remember, okay? Which is whose is a ownership, possession दिखाता है. Which is used only for the things. But remember, जब भी choice की बात आती है, we are using which of the following, which. Okay, that. For that is used for the four types. First is used as a pair of antecedent. Do हो, एक persons हो, एक animals हो और एक things हो. Okay, then the second use for this some kinds of words like all, the same, the few, the little, everything, nothing. These are the words. Remember these words. Then the third one of use is that is in superlative degree. In superlative degree. Okay. Then the fourth one that is used as that is the after interrogative pronouns. अगर interrogative pronouns से अगर sentence शुरू होगा तो must be used that. And relative pronoun what? It has no antecedent. I think the concept is clear now. Anna, then in our next live classes we will see or we will learn the textual explanation of these relative pronouns. It is enough for today. Thank you very much and have a wonderful day.